Hey guys, James here, back with another video, and today I have a really quick unboxing of this SilverStone SDP10, and it's a 5¼ inch to 3.5 inch bay converter, and it pretty much allows you to stick in a hard drive into a 5¼ inch bay. So not much to it really, but I just want to unbox it so that you guys can see what it actually looks like before you go ahead and buy it. So I got this for a cheap price of $12. And this is it. So it's actually metal. I wasn't expecting it to be metal. I was expecting it to be plastic actually from the pictures, but it is indeed metal. As you can see that. Some amount of flex, not much. You can see here, this is the installation guide. So just showing, what you can do to, use it, I guess. Comes with the appropriate screws to mount the hard drive. So it looks like you can probably stick in, so 1 3.5 inch. As you can see, they have these cutouts for you to stick those screws on for these two spots, as you can see here where my fingers are. There you go. So these two spots, and same with the back side. So pretty simple, pretty easy, by SilverStone SDP10. So that's the fastest unboxing I've ever done in my life. But just so that you guys can know what it looks like and how to, you pretty much just mount it in between here, and this sticks into your 5¼ inch bay. So I'll be using this in my new case, the Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 900. And so look out for that build coming up soon. Now I understand that 5¼ inches are getting more rare, and so you may be thinking, why would I buy this? But of course I want to stick a hard drive in this. But yeah, let me know in the comments below. Is 5¼ inch still dying out? I still use a Blu-ray drive, so I'm still in that camp. I definitely still use 5¼ inch bays, and I still want them. But and I think they're useful for sticking extra hard drives. But let me know what you think. Leave a comment below, or if you have any questions, leave that below. But I hope you like this video. Like it if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. Subscribe to see more videos coming up in the future, and I will see you guys in the next one.